Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we're going to go over where you would check your engine oil and add engine oil if you need to add engine oil on a 2016 Kia Optima, and it would range a different range of probably all Optimas, not just a 16, 17, 18 most likely is all about the same. But this engine, your dipstick is right here, and so to check it, you would on it on a decently level surface, pull this out, wipe it clean, and then reinsert it all the way down and pull it back out and check to see where your oil level is. And this vehicle clearly needs oil added to it. It should be between this dot and this dot. There's a full and a low, and your operating range is right in the middle there, and that's where it should be. So you would add oil, and the way you would add oil is you got a filler cap right here, twist it unlocked position to the counterclockwise, remove the cap. It says you use a 5W20 oil in it, and you would put it in here. This is a pretty deep hole, so you'd want to get a funnel and to put there so that you don't spill oil on the motor, and then you get that nasty oil burning smell. But fill it up. This clearly is pretty low, that it would need at least 2 quarts to start with, but you want to check it, and then you put a quart and check, put another quart if you need to, and get to the full range of your vehicle. Then you would just put the cap back. It's a good recommendation that you don't want to overfill your vehicle, because if you do overfill it, it can cause other damage to your catalytic system and all types of things like that. So you want to be cautious of filling up your oil and not overfilling it. And that's how you would check and add oil to your Kia Optima of 2016. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.